Hello spooky kids and welcome back to Paranormal Hagrid, and in this video I am unboxing something I've been waiting to unbox for a long time because I wanted one when I first saw them and I finally got one, and it's from Mattel Creations, as you can see there, and it's everybody's favourite kitty cat, particularly my favourite kitty cat, and it's the new Panthor. That is the back of the box, the new Eternia Panthor. You see Skeletor up there, and then you've got, it's a very detailed box. It's got some pretty cool artwork on it, and there is Panthor on the back. So this one I am going to open because I want to. There's a cool picture of him, and then ooh, it's like a fold out thing here. Let me just put that down. There we go. Skeletor on Panthor. He's got a little helmet and everything. And then this side is Snake Mountain. Snake Mountain. I guess you could make a diorama. Then let me just get him out of the box somehow, hopefully, without breaking him. Whoa, he's huge. Maybe I won't get him out of the box. Does not want to come out. There we go. Take it away, assistant. Look at that. Shiny, shiny Panthor. He's got a helmet. He's even got a little spear thing there.
Panthor Savage Cat.
It's pretty cool. So there is Panthor. Panthor has a spear. Panthor also has a helmet. We're not sure if it's the first time Panthor has had the mask, but it's definitely the coolest mask. It just clips over Panthor's head. The other really cool thing is Panthor's teeth are retractable. See? His head moves, his eyes look really cool. He has toe beans. Toe beans. He's got a little spike of armor there. He's got a spear on his side. His legs all move. His tail moves. He is massive. For comparison, this is Claudine from the 1980s, who was featured in She-Ra. And she's kind of tiny. So Panthor. Panthor, the savage cat. Dire panthers are the alpha predators of Eternia's Dark Hemisphere. So it was a boon to Skeletor when he found a stray cub. He raised the cub to be his loyal pet, nurtured it with havoc magic, and transformed it into his savage steed, Panthor. So there you go. It's pretty awesome. We did see someone at one of the toy fairs who didn't really like it very much, but I think it looks pretty cool. He's very shiny purple. And this is soft. This is actually soft. Whereas on all the old ones that I've got, because I've got 80s and I've got, what was it, 2018, 2019. And on Battle Cat, this is like hard plastic, but this is like a soft, almost like leather, which is very cool. So there you go. Panthor. His head lifts up. Anyway, thanks for watching.